Okay, this is going to be a video on this oil burner. We had this thing. It was not filling. Okay, so I had zero pressure. Zero. So I emptied all the water out, made sure that was empty. And you unscrew this union on this side. Now, this was a 320. The one I bought was a 320T. You can spin this off by hand. There's enough room on the pipes. So you spin this off by hand. Once you undo that union, there's no need for Teflon tape on the union. You make sure the proper gaskets go into place, and you're okay. Now, my problem was that wasn't filling. Now, let me put a little bit of a, you know what? I just want to wrap that with a little bit of Teflon tape. Let me point this camera over here so you can see it. I'm just going to wrap a little Teflon tape around this pipe. You want to do it in the proper direction. I'm going to give a little Teflon tape, and I'm also going to give it a little bit of pipe dope, just because I like to. You know, I just want to do that. I want to hit it with the pipe dope, just to be safe. Give it a little slopping on there, just to be safe. And then we're just going to spin that piece on. And we got to make sure there's a proper gasket in here for the new one. There's the gasket. See the gasket? So that gasket has to go. This is just, don't need that anymore because I'm not sweat fitting. Well, actually, you know what? I could actually spin that on there. Hey, look at that. Let me see. You know what? I would like to change that whole piece. Oh, wow, it's clogged in there. Look at that. There's an actual clog in there. Check this out. Look, I don't know if you could see in the pipe. Oh, you can't. There's no light here. There's an actual clog. Okay, let's just turn. Okay, that's good. It's out. Now, I could change this whole piece. I wouldn't mind actually doing that, but I don't actually have that tool on me. I'm not a plumber. Don't hate on me. I'm just a guy like you that's trying to do things on their own and save a little time. Now, the one I got was the T, the 29, the Taco 329T, and it should fit right in place. So let's try to spin this back on. So far, so good. A little tight because the tape, and I'm a little upset that I don't have you know, I needed 2 wrenches this size. I didn't have that. So it was kind of tough getting that other one off that union. Make sure you have 2 wrenches, one that could grab the other side of this thing. I didn't actually have that, and that made it very difficult for me. Just go around again. Let's get this caught. Like I said, I wish I had the right tool here. I don't. And once this gets into position, I'm not going to kill it. Just want to get it in position. That's my mother you hear in the background. You're going to be on another YouTube video, Mom. Okay. And once I get this locked in, I think we're pretty good. There, it's nice and straight. Okay. Now we're going to put the gasket on. And you don't have to make sure it's clean. Both surfaces are clean. They are. Put the gasket in place right where it's supposed to be. And you don't need Teflon tape on that because the gasket should make up on its own. I'm hoping this thread did not change, and it did not. So way good it's going on. Okay, now I'm just going to tighten up this side. I'm not going to kill it. Again, you don't have to kill this one like the last person did. And this is to put the fast fill on. And let's just see what happens. You don't have to kill it. Now, we're going to bring the water pressure on slow. Okay, now let's close this. Let's bring the water pressure on slowly. Oh, I hear it flowing. Oh, absolutely. Hear it? Flowing right in there. It's definitely flowing in there. Oh, big time. Now I can bleed my system the right way. Good enough. All right, well, that's the replacement of that. There's no dripping. Everything seems good. Thanks for watching. Hey, like, subscribe. You never know what you're going to get in my video. This was also dripping. I replaced that too. And like I said, I'm not a plumber. I'm just helping out my mother. I figured make a YouTube video. I'm a doer. I like getting stuff done myself. Now, this is a fast fill. So when you bleed the system, which I'm about to do, turn on that fast fill and you bleed it out.